was the last time you wrote a letter by hand? We're quick to email or text our friends, but nothing can replace the joy of receiving a personalized letter in the mail. December is the perfect time to stop what you're doing and drop a note to a friend or a family member. Here are my hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating Write a Friend Month. Researchers have found that people with few ties to others had 2 to 5 times the death rate as those who had more ties. Support and connectedness can be a powerful tool in preventing illness by acting as a buffer to the effects of stress. One way to continue building that sense of connection and deeper friendship is to continually communicate, and writing allows us to contemplate, ask questions, or show appreciation in a very different way than by calling or emailing. One of my favorite quotes is, "Life is to be fortified by many friendships." It's a shame that for many of us, the more stressful life gets, the less connected we become. Remember your friends, let them know that they matter, connect when possible, but don't leave it to chance, or time may pass you both by. Discover how to take small steps towards a healthier, happier, less stressed you by visiting my website at worksmartlivesmart.com.